it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making a book bag, gift card holder, treat holder. This is the die set that we will be using. It is a new release again from Alina Cutle, but here's the base and the side walls or the side matting, the straps, and this one right here would be a little pocket on the side, the book bag straps for the back, and then the flap for the book bag itself. So let me show you the actual pieces that we'll be using. You'll need 2 pieces of the base with the tape on the side. Here's the flap that I was talking about, and then the layering piece for it. And then here's the strap or the buckle, and these are the straps. You'll need 2 of those, 2 layering pieces for the buckle, and then 2 sidewalls or 2 sides for the backpack and a little pocket, and then just little pieces that will decorate this little pocket here. And here's the little buckle for the strap. All right, so let's put it together and I'll show you how it's made. here is my backpack. So you can see how cute it is. It's adorable. I didn't put an extra strap here. I liked it plain. So here's the side walls, or the sides that I was talking about. Here's the little straps. And this little thing is so adorable. You can open it up and you can actually put something on here. And then here's the actual, so I put a Velcro on it, as you guys saw, and spaces. Now as far as what we can put in here, we can definitely put a gift card and it will close. We can put, you saw the hand sanitizer, it did fit, but it won't close. You can definitely put candies in here. You know, it's a mix of, and the candy won't fall out on the side, even though it has a hole, it won't fall out. And let's see what else. What else can I put in here? It could probably fit this little hand sanitizer from Bath and Body. It's small enough, but it looks like it'll struggle to close. So maybe put it that way. So you put it on the side, you can still close it. So if you want to give a hand sanitizer with a gift card, it will still close. So if that's what you want to, you know, again, depending on what you want to gift. So this little hand sanitizer from Bath and Body. Bath and Body Works does fit. Just not this type of hand sanitizer or this type of hand sanitizer. Too big. I mean, it'll fit, but it won't close. Lip balm, as you can guys see, it should fit. It shouldn't have any problem. We could put 2 in there, 2 different sizes. I don't know if the mascara will fit. It's too long. But for the most part, you can put treats. You can put a little hand sanitizer. A ton of gift cards. Maybe. So they'll fit. But it won't close with that many. Let's do 5. Let's be realistic. 2, 4, 5. And it should fit. Yep. So 5 of it will close. So that is my project. I appreciate your time, and hopefully you like my project. This die set is still available on Amazon. I did check today. They did have some. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link below in my description so you can get a hold of it. This one is by, again, Alina Cutle. She just released this for September. So if you don't see it right away because it's not available, then just keep checking. So here's my one that I did. Let's do more. I have more. Here's another one. Same thing. I think this one's really pretty. Christmas. Snowflake. Snowflake plaid. Butterflies. Nutcracker. Oh, you just want to keep jumping in. Red snowflake. Pretty purple plaid-ish. Pink snowflake. Ribbons and trees and star. Red one. with stars, stripes, diagonal stripes. This one you guys saw when I did the notepads, post-it notepads. I put this one out. I had leftover paper, so I used it. We got polka dots. Pink. Red one. Candy cane. Stars. And the last one, more stars but foiled. So this is what I will be selling at my craft fair this year. I will not be making any more just because I have so much more to make. I am signing up for 2 craft fairs, so I have a lot to make, and they're about a week apart. So I'm just making as much as I can. Keeping in mind I still have an Etsy to keep up with as well, so I have to make sure I take care of those customers as well. I will be, if you're in California, I will be attending the Strawberry and Fig Jingle Fest up in Santa Clarita. So that's on November 8th. So if you guys are near and want to stop by, I'd love to meet you guys. That would be so awesome if I did meet somebody. And then, of course, I will be attending something. I'm waiting for a call back for another one, but hopefully I'll get in that one, and I'll let you know if I do get in, and I'll give you that information as well. All right, so this is what I have. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting, and thank you for all my new subscribers, and of course thank you for my older subscribers who were supporting me from the very get-go. I appreciate each and every one of you, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this project, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Have a good day and have a good weekend. See you again soon. Bye.